Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing a reliable text-to-speech engine on your device. Export your narration as WAV at 48,000 HC and 16-bit PCM for best quality. Alternatively, export MP3 with 128 kbps bitrate if storage is limited. Name files clearly and place them in a project folder you can access easily from Kinemaster. Transfer the files to your phone if needed using USB, cloud, or direct download. Confirm file names and lengths before opening Kinemaster to avoid confusion later. Open Kinemaster and create a new project with your desired aspect ratio. Import your WAV or MP3 narration from the project folder into the audio track. Drag the clip onto the timeline and position it under the matching video or image. Use split and trim tools to cut pauses and align dialogue with specific visuals. Adjust audio gain and apply fade-in or fade-out to smooth transitions. Normalize peaks around -6 decibels to prevent clipping during export. Add captions by creating text layers and setting start and end times to match the narration. Style fonts, size, and position so captions remain readable on small screens. Optionally, add light compression or equalization to speech for consistent volume. Preview the entire timeline and fix any timing discrepancies before export. Export at 1080p with 30 frames per second and AAC audio at 128 kbps for balanced quality and file size. Enable hardware acceleration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.